second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why.
Volvo, a pioneer in automotive safety and innovation, takes a bold step into the electric future with the introduction of the 2024 Volvo EX30. This electric SUV not only marks a paradigm shift towards sustainable mobility but also redefines the notion of affordable luxury. In this detailed overview, we explore the features that make the X30 an exceptional and accessible choice for those seeking both opulence and eco-conscious driving.
Across the line, you got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but
sleek and contemporary design. The 2024 Volvo X30 showcases a sleek and contemporary design that seamlessly blends elegance with aerodynamic efficiency. The SUV's clean lines, distinctive Volvo grille, and signature Thor's hammer headlights create a modern aesthetic that is both eye-catching and timeless. Despite its affordability, the X30 does not compromise on Volvo's commitment to sophisticated design.
I'll put them back, no matter what they try. I'll stay by your side. It's you and I.
Affordable electric performance. Volvo prioritizes sustainability without sacrificing performance in the EX30. The electric powertrain delivers responsive acceleration in a whisper-quiet ride, transforming the driving experience. The affordability of the X30 makes it an accessible entry point into the world of luxury electric SUVs, reflecting Volvo's dedication to making sustainable driving a reality for a broader audience.
The morning light, I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot.
Luxurious interior comfort. Step inside the X30, and you'll find a luxurious interior that exemplifies Volvo's renowned attention to comfort and craftsmanship. Premium materials, contemporary styling, and intuitive controls create an inviting cabin. The spacious interior provides ample legroom for passengers and a flexible cargo space, ensuring both comfort and practicality. Cutting-edge technology. Volvo integrates cutting-edge technology into the X30 to enhance the driving experience. An intuitive infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, and advanced driver assistance features contribute to a connected and safe journey. The user-friendly interface reflects Volvo's commitment to making innovative technology accessible to all. Safety as a priority. Volvo, synonymous with automotive safety, upholds its commitment in the EX30. The SUV incorporates an array of safety features, including collision avoidance systems, lane keeping assist, and advanced airbag protection. The X30 ensures that safety is not compromised, even in an affordable luxury electric SUV.
Some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back, no matter what they do.
Environmental responsibility. The EX30 aligns with Volvo's dedication to environmental responsibility. The electric powertrain eliminates tailpipe emissions, contributing to cleaner air and reduced carbon footprint. Volvo's commitment to sustainability extends beyond the vehicle's operation, incorporating eco-friendly materials and responsible manufacturing practices. Ease of ownership. The EX30 aims to make electric vehicle ownership hassle-free, with an emphasis on a comprehensive charging infrastructure and affordable maintenance costs. Volvo ensures that the EX30 is not only accessible at the point of purchase but also economical throughout its lifespan. Customization options. To cater to individual preferences, the EX30 offers a range of customization options. From interior finishes to exterior colors, buyers have the flexibility to personalize their EX30, adding a touch of individuality to their affordable luxury electric SUV. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2024 Volvo EX30 stands as a testament to Volvo's commitment to making luxury electric SUVs accessible to a wider audience. Share your thoughts on this affordable electric marvel in the comments below, and join the conversation as we celebrate the marriage of luxury and sustainability in the Volvo EX30.
We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.